This is the video for routine 100 and 101 of the Polygon scan game. I've highlighted in green routine 100. It first sets the active index to 0. Then for I of 0 to 9, it's going to build all the starts. It normally has an XY value for points, but some of the boxes are the starts. All the starts will have an X value of 9,999, and their Y value will actually be what start number it is. So the first time it goes around here, it sets the X to the 9999 value and the Y to 0. Then it'll go around and do all the way till it does number 9. Next it sets NG to 8, and then it fills the 8 values of the bridge X to 0 and 8 values of bridge Y to 0. That says there are no bridges. Alright, now I'm going to go on. I've highlighted routine 101 now in green. It starts out setting T tall to 15, Y to 62, sets X to the active index, divides it by 25, multiplies it by 75, and adds another 14 to it. And then it sets Y to the active index, but it mods it with 25, multiplies it by 15, and adds 17 to it, makes the color red, and then says rectangle fill. Well, let's go see what it's really doing. Go to execute the program. It made this red box. This is the active index. In this case, the first one here would be 0. This would be active index 1. What it did was it figured out the XY value for the upper left-hand corner of this rectangle, and then it made the red rectangle. Next, it's going to put the entries in the green box. It's going to set the color to 0, which is black, the font to 410, XY position to 2040, and then for I of 0, down here next I NG, which is the number of entries there are in the table, and then it's going to do it one at a time. So in this loop, it first asks, is this one of the start positions? It says branch if not equal to all 9s to BC. But if it is a start position, it's going to put the start number, remember that's in the Y value, into the text area, and then it's going to print the text, and it's going to say start, either 0 all the way through start 8. Then it's going to go down here to BE, add 15 to Y, drop down to the next entry position. However, if it gets to the bottom of the screen, it changes X to go to the next column. Well, we sort of skipped the part where it puts the XY values in. If it's not a start, then it's XY values. And here it puts the number X at a certain position in page A, Y at another position in page A, and then puts that text on the screen. So let's go back to the program. This is where it's putting the data in here. This start 0, then XY positions, start 1, XY positions, and start 2 through 8 don't have any XY positions. Alright, that's the end of routines 100 and 101 of the Polygon scan game.